I'm Tony Moze. I want to speak a little bit about Cognizance Capital. As a person who went to school for psychology, I understand that everything you do is a psychology. What I learned from Anthony Vaughn is an amazing and an enormous amount of information that revolutionized the way that I conducted my life. See, the thing is, Cognizant Capital, yes, it helps with your business, but it primarily helps with yourself. And so I learned to break through the cracks and the crevices of all this one-way, narrow, old, just ignorant way of thinking that did not allow me to maximize my potential. And at Cognizance Capital, you get to learn so much about your own psychology, because before you can give without, before you can learn the principles and everything that occurs outside of you, you have to master your own mind. And I thank Anthony Vaughn for this. Cognizance Capital. My name is Tony Moze.